everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup. This is my very first makeup tutorial, so hope you'll like it and let's jump right into it. So now I'm going to show you my everyday makeup look. I have my hair first. So I usually start with a SPF. This is from Orbis, and this is SPF 34 with a PA triple plus. For sunny weather like Singapore, it's best that you have a strong SPF, at least 30, and the plus, right, you need to have the strongest possible. So that's why I choose the triple plus. That is to protect against the UVB rays. So usually this alone will help to even out my skin tone, and it acts like a base. So moving on, I'll be putting on my foundation, my liquid foundation. I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way, and my color is Ivory. So I will squeeze it onto my sponge. Next, I'm filling up my brows. I'm using the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil, and this is a brown color. So I have a micro blading done about a year ago, so I usually just need to lightly shade. Mostly is shading the ends of my brows. I use the spoolie provided and just brush even out any harsh edges. Next, I will continue to my eye makeup. I'm using this Estee Lauder Nudes. The color is very nice, very natural. So I'm using this brush here, and I will use this Champagne Gold color. Just apply it on the whole on my eyelid. After that, I'm using this light brown here. I'm using this at the crease of my eyes. Then I'm using this angle brush here to line my eye. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner. I'm using Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner in black. Moving on to my face, I'm using this Zoeva palette. This is a blush palette. It's just very simple. I like this blusher very much. And they have this bronzer and a highlighter. So every time when I travel, I just bring this very compact. Using my face brush. This is a very sweet pink, very light pink. Just use some of the highlighter to highlight my cheekbone here, just a little bit. And finally the bronzer, just a bit on my, just a bit over here, and my hairline. Now for the lips, I would usually prep my lips with some moisturizer. This is from YSL. It helps to, it's a lip and contour shaper. So it has a little bit of plumping effect on the lips as well as moisturizing. Because my lips tends to be really dry if I use liquid lipstick. So for Today I'm using this Stila liquid lipstick. It's a long wearing lipstick and I like the color. The nude is very nice. I usually don't use any mascara or fake eyelash. I don't really know how to apply a fake eyelash, so I often go for eyelash extension. So my eyelash extension is already almost 2 months and I think it's still having quite a few lashes on, a little bit unbalanced. I'm going to do my eyelash again probably next week. I will bring you to the beauty center that I always go for my eyelash extension and I will tell you the whole experience. So stay tuned for my video. So this is the completed look. I hope you like my everyday makeup look, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my future videos. I will see you in my next one.